Today, I am reviewing the HP 27-inch FHD Touchscreen All-in-One Desktop computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The 27-inch Full HD touchscreen is the centerpiece of the experience, and it genuinely elevates daily use. The large display size gives everything room to breathe. Documents, spreadsheets, and web pages feel less cramped, and multitasking across multiple windows is far more comfortable than on smaller monitors. The IPS panel delivers consistent colors and good viewing angles, so whether you're sitting directly in front of it or slightly off to the side, the image remains clear and readable. The touch functionality feels responsive and natural, especially for scrolling, zooming, and casual interaction. It's not something you'll use every second, but once you get used to it, going back to a non-touch desktop feels surprisingly limiting. Performance-wise, the Ryzen 5 7520U is well matched to the type of workload the system is built for. Everyday tasks feel smooth and predictable. Boot times are fast, applications open quickly, and general navigation through Windows 11 feels fluid. This is the kind of machine that handles long workdays without drama. Running office applications, multiple browser tabs, video calls, media playback, and background tasks simultaneously does not overwhelm the system. It doesn't stutter or hesitate, and it maintains a steady, reliable feel even after hours of continuous use. While this processor isn't meant for heavy rendering or advanced creative workloads, it excels at being dependable, which is far more important for most users. The inclusion of 16 GB of DDR5 memory contributes significantly to that smoothness. Multitasking feels effortless, and you're rarely forced to think about closing applications to free up resources. This is particularly noticeable when switching between tasks quickly, such as jumping from a video call to documents, then to a browser with multiple tabs open. The system keeps up without feeling strained. Storage performance also plays a big role here. The 1TB SSD ensures fast startup, quick file access, and responsive application launches. Everything feels immediate. The addition of external storage further enhances flexibility, allowing you to keep large media files or backups without cluttering the main drive. One of the most underrated aspects of this all-in-one is how clean and quiet the overall experience is. With no bulky tower, minimal cabling, and a sleek integrated design, the desk setup feels open and organized. This has a real impact on how pleasant it is to work at the system for extended periods. Fan noise is minimal during normal use, and the system remains unobtrusive even during video calls or multitasking sessions. It's the kind of computer that blends into the background instead of constantly reminding you it's there. HP's attention to privacy and communication is also evident. The pop-up webcam is a simple feature, but it adds genuine peace of mind. When it's tucked away, you know it's not active, and that reassurance matters more than people often admit. Video call quality is solid, with dual microphones handling voice pickup clearly enough for meetings, remote work, or virtual classes. This makes the system particularly well-suited for home offices, students, and anyone who relies heavily on online communication. Wireless connectivity is reliable and stable. Wi-Fi 6 provides strong performance for streaming, video conferencing, and large downloads without frequent drops or slowdowns. Paired with wireless keyboard and mouse, the overall setup remains clean and clutter-free. Everything works together smoothly, without constant reconnecting or troubleshooting, which is exactly what most users want from a home or office desktop. What really defines this HP all-in-one over time is how little friction it introduces into daily life. It doesn't demand technical knowledge, constant tweaking, or careful resource management. You sit down, press the power button, and get to work. Over days and weeks of use, that simplicity becomes its biggest strength. The eco-conscious design also adds to the sense that this is a thoughtfully made product rather than a disposable piece of tech. In real-world use, the HP 27-inch touchscreen all-in-one feels dependable, comfortable, and well-balanced. It's not trying to be the fastest or most powerful desktop on the market. Instead, it focuses on delivering a large, pleasant display, smooth everyday performance, and a clean, quiet workspace. For users who value screen space, ease of use, and reliability over raw horsepower, this system ends up being far more satisfying than many traditional desktops. It's the kind of computer that simply works day after day without calling attention to itself, and that reliability is exactly what makes it a strong choice for modern home and office environments.